So a day later, the dog crying, and the wife is trying to show me something. For you DSMers, this is the ACT clutch, specifically made for dogbox. It's a specific clutch, pressure plate hub, or whatever you want to call it. The bearing. And there goes the disc.
Okay, here.
Hold on. The moment of truth. Just what everybody been wanting to see. Dog box. tcase. 3 years in the making for this. With the PPG gear set. Magnus Shift Forks. It's pretty much got the works in it. Could have went with more, like the 300M input shaft and stuff like that. It was just way out of my budget. But this will be good enough.